Hello, everyone. Hello. I am Mrs. Duck, and this is Spelling Word Drawing with Mrs. Duck, only Mrs. Duck, not Mr. T, only Mrs. Duck because I am the star. Mrs. Duck, what's going on over there? I gotta go. Bye-bye. Okay, well, boys and girls, it looks like we are set up for some spelling word drawing, so why don't you get something to draw on, something to draw with, and you're going to divide it up into four rectangles. Now you can fold it up like we have been doing, or you can draw a line right down the middle, and then a line down the middle this way as well. There we go. So we have four spots, enough for 4 drawings. Then you could turn it over and you could do your fifth on the back. I am going to have to make an extra square right here, or extra rectangle right here. You do not have to do that. Okay, I'm just doing that because I can't flip it over. I have nothing to flip over to. Now, here we go. I make the best with what we have. So, let's take a look at our spelling words. Our first one is sand. And sand is spelled S-A-N-D. Sand. Now, when I think of sand, I think of a beach. A beach. So I have some colors. If you want to grab some colors, you can have colors too, or you can just draw it out and then color it later. So I'm going to start off with my water. So I'm going to have some ocean coming in. Here's the ocean rolling in. It looks pretty calm right now. There's probably some fish hiding out in there. And it's coming onto the shore. And I'm going to draw the shore. I'm going to use orange. It's not perfect, but it's what I'm going to use for now. And here is my sand. And maybe to make it more obvious that this is supposed to be a beach and sand, I'm going to draw an arrow pointing to it. But why don't I put an umbrella over here? And we'll just put a little wavy line and another wavy line, and there's an umbrella. And maybe we'll put our world famous stick figure hanging out on the beach, sitting on the sand. Why not? Okay. Next one we have is sink. And that is spelled S-I-N-K. Now I was thinking about sink, and I go, we could use the one where we wash dishes in, where we put our dirty dishes in the sink. But because I was doing some water over here, I thought, you know what? Let's do that kind of sink. Like this. We're going to draw some water, and you can color that water in. Now I'm not going to color it in perfect, because if I try to color everything in perfect right now, this would be a very long video. Alright, very long video. So sink, I saw a movie a long time ago about a ship called the Titanic, and the Titanic sank a long time ago. So I'm going to have a ship that is about to sink. So I'm going to kind of draw a curved line coming out, and then a curved line coming back down like this. And then on these ships, there's these tall smokestacks, and it's like putting a rectangle up on top. Maybe I'll do a smaller smokestack right here. There. So there's sink. Next up, we have past. P-A-S-T. Past. And I thought about this. You know what? I'm going to draw something from my past. So I'm going to make a rectangle And a rectangle is made up of two long sides and two shorter sides. So there's a rectangle. And now I'm going to put circles in this. And it almost looks like it could be a robot head, right? With these eyes, but it's not. This here, I'm going to put these little lines in here and here. And on the other side. Looks like it still could be a robot, really. But what this is, I'm going to color it all black like this. This is what's called a VHS tape. And a VHS tape is what I used to watch movies using. Before there were DVDs, there were VHS tapes. And they were tapes, and there was actually tape that the movie was on inside of these rectangles. And this is actually the bottom part of it, and it had these little lines on here to help rewind it. That's how if we wanted to stop it, it would stop the tape, and then we press rewind, and it would spin these little spokes and these wheels that are inside and reverse the tape. You can ask maybe your parents, maybe your grandparents about that. But that is the past for me. So next up is land. And land is L-A-N-D. Land. Very good. So land, we can do a couple different things. Why don't we do this? We're going to draw a little sea. And you'll see what we're going to do. You'll see what we're going to be doing. And then we're going to kind of bump up just a little bit. And then draw along. Any ideas? Now let's do the bottom side. Anybody have any clues? Okay, now we're going to come up just like this. And maybe we'll put a line like this. And then come out and then curve around. And then another line to meet it. Oh, is this starting to look like something? And now let's put a line coming down here and a line down here. A circle for the wheels. And let's draw the ground right here. There we go. And maybe we'll put the little window here. And then draw little squares. And if you're really good, you can draw little people inside of our plane as it comes into land. So our plane has come into land. All right. Finally, we have fast. And fast is F-A-S-T. Fast. Okay. So what we're going to do with fast is we're going to draw somebody here. And there's a line. This is a stick figure. Another line out and a leg. And then draw our feet. And then we're going to draw another line here. And then a bent line going up this way. And at the bottom a foot. And let's draw an arm going out. Just a line and then a line here. Going up. And then maybe a circle for hands. So this person is fast. But so is our world famous stick figure who is ahead right here. So we're going to draw really close to what we just did there. And a line down. At the bottom of that line, let's draw a foot. And then a line here. And our world famous stick person foot. Now line up, line down, And there is the hand, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side, do it just with the line going up. Now I'll add a couple details. Here is some action lines showing how fast our stick figure is. And why don't we add this little thing? Let's put almost a U kind of, put upside down. And then on the bottom we're going to draw a line going out. And then a couple action lines going from this person's head to that hat. So what I'm saying is this stick figure is very fast. When they ran by, they blew this stick figure's hat right off. So there is our spelling word drawing. Hope you had fun with this, boys and girls, and we'll see you very soon.